This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants shall follow activation procedures in EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our programming at the request of the United States government. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been suspended due to this emergency. This is WNBC TV. This station will continue furnishing news and instructions for the New York City area. If you are not in the New York City area, tune now into a station for your local area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the broadcast station or cable system in your local area. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has been discontinued at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this time period, most TV and radio stations will give out the news and updates for public in assigned areas. This is WNBC TV. And we will serve the New York City area. If you are not in this area, you need to definitely tune into a station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Don't use your phones. The phone lines will be used for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. Please stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system.
Hello, my fellow Americans. I am one of the representatives of the President of the United States. I am speaking on all TV stations for the final time due to a global emergency. At this time, please pay attention to this. This is very hard to comprehend. I gotta get this off my chest for the final time. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At this time, please do not turn off your device, as this is really important to view this alert, and as well as pertaining to an ongoing global emergency, as this is information that is pertaining to what's going on right now due to a global emergency. Our world is coming to an end. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there were many reports of the riots of the 4th of July virus reported all across the globe. Many of the riots have appeared in major cities across the globe. Many people were suffering and painful and agonizing deaths after looking at the fireworks. The 4th of July virus has spread so fast and thus has no cure at all. At the rate of these viruses and the riots and the 4th of July virus, it is estimated the rest of the world will experience the evil riots and the 4th of July virus, which will end the world in the next 40 minutes. Within the next 40 minutes. At this time of broadcast, all residents in the United States and across the rest of the world are to do the following. Gather everyone, your family and friends. Await your final moments on earth together. If you are part of a religious group, pray to your being or beings and repent. The president or the representative of the president or the 16th president has moved to an undisclosed location and select a verse from the Bible, which will be read by me, as well as his Book of Mormon to be read by me. 2 Corinthians 8:16. Thanks be to God, and who put the heart of Titus, the same concern I have for you. Now for the verse of the Book of Mormon. I would that ye should come unto Christ, who is holy one of Israel, and partake of his salvation, and the power of his redemption. I come unto him, and offer your whole souls as an offering unto him, and will continue into fasting and praying to endure the end, and as the Lord liveth, ye will be saved. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. Before we conclude this broadcast, we will play the national anthem on all TV stations for one last time. Once the national anthem has ended, all TV stations will go pitch black for the final time. On behalf of the President, thank you for being part of the American dream. This concludes my message. May God have mercy on us all. We will play our national anthem now. Goodbye forever.